Ro-Ro ships are maritime vessels made to carry things with wheels like cars, trucks, and trains. Some ships are just for cars, and others can carry cars and trucks. The idea of Ro-Ro ships has been around for a while. They became more popular when Britain started to grow its industries in the 1800s. In 1995, a big sea safety meeting gave a clear definition of what Ro-Ro ships are. They said it's a passenger ship that can carry cars and other wheeled goods. Nowadays, with better technology, we see bigger and more eco-friendly Ro-Ro ships being made. Now let's take a look at the largest Ro-Ro ships currently sailing in the world. MV Tonsburg. The MV Tonsburg, owned by the Norwegian shipping and vehicle logistics firm 𝗤𝗟liche 𝗵𝗂𝗯, is known as the largest Ro-Ro vessel in the world. 𝗤𝗍𝗃𝗃 Heavy Industries was responsible for its construction, and since its 2011 launch, it has been sailing under the Maltese flag. The vessel boasts a total cargo capacity of 138,000 cubic meters. Incorporating the innovative Mark V technology, the ship features a low, double-bottomed hull, ensuring a smooth journey even in turbulent waters. Measuring 265 meters in length, 32 meters in width, and with a draft of 11 meters, the MV Tonsburg has a gross tonnage of 75,251. It is equipped with 6 decks designed to transport a mix of heavy rolling and non-containerized cargo, break bulk, and automobiles. The vessel's internal ramps are adjustable, facilitating easy Ro-Ro loading and unloading without the need for onshore cranes. Its external ramp has a load-bearing capacity of 450 tons, whereas the ramp on Deck 2 is tailored for containers, parts of windmills, and yachts. Of its 50,000 square meters deck area, 31,300 square meters is dedicated to cargo storage. The remaining space accommodates the living areas for its 37 crew members, an office, a conference room, and an emergency evacuation zone fitted with a lifeboat. The ship's propulsion system and fuel tanks use fuel oil and marine diesel. The low sulfur content in these fuels aids in reducing the vessel's carbon emissions annually. Figuro vehicle carrier. Figuro is listed in the Lloyd's Shipping Register as a large car truck carrier, with the capacity to transport either 7,880 cars, or a combination of 3,550 cars and 430 buses. Built in 2011 by Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering in South Korea, it ranks among the largest vessels in 𝗤𝗟𝗃𝗃 𝗵𝗂𝗯's Ro-Ro fleet and currently sails under the Swedish flag. This vehicle transporter measures 232 meters in length and 32 meters in width, with a draft of approximately 10.5 meters. It has a gross tonnage of 74,258 tons and a summer deadweight of 31,143 tons. The ship can reach top speeds of 20 knots, but typically cruises at an average pace of 16 knots. The vessel features 9 decks, with 2 primary loading and unloading ramps situated near the starboard for accommodating larger vehicles, such as buses and trucks. An additional external ramp is designated for car loading. The 5th deck, which is accessed via the primary external ramp, houses conventional cargo. Among the decks, 4 are stationary, while the rest are adjustable, allowing for enhanced flexibility. The main engine operates with an automated control system, and its rudders are optimized for minimal resistance and heightened efficiency. The ship is equipped with 2 emergency generators, which include a shaft and diesel generator, and an integrated automatic fire suppression system. The crew's living quarters, accommodating 39 members, are situated beneath the garage deck, which also features a lifeboat and 4 rafts. CLDN Group's MV Seline. Owned by the Luxembourg-based CLDN Group, MV Seline is among continental Europe's grandest short-sea Ro-Ro ships. It saw its inception at the Hyundai Mipo shipyard in South Korea in 2018. The ship stretches to a length of 235 meters and a breadth of 35 meters. With a vast carrying capacity of 8,000 lane meters, it has a gross weight of 74,273 tons. Primarily anchored at the ports of Zeebrugge and Rotterdam, MV Seline has been pivotal in amplifying ro-ro operations for Dublin Port. To accommodate this vessel, 3 berths at the port were expanded, serving as a trade bridge among Ireland, the Netherlands, and Belgium. MV Seline is poised to bolster Ireland's seafaring trade relations with mainland Europe. The ship's structure boasts 5 decks, including 2 dedicated ramps for smaller vehicles and trucks. The remaining 3 decks cater to truck storage. MV Seline uniquely blends the vastness of ocean-bound vessels with the nimbleness of regular ferries. Furthermore, its 2-stroke engine, a departure from the conventional 4-stroke, ensures efficient operations and reduced carbon outputs. K-Line's Century Highway Green. Hailing from the 𝗤𝗏𝗀𝗃𝗃 shipyard in Japan, an extension of the Imabari shipbuilding company, Century Highway Green was berthed in 2021 for 𝗖𝗂𝗃𝗃𝗁𝗂𝗃 𝗂𝗃𝗃𝗁𝗂𝗃 Limited, opting for an environmental stride. It uses liquefied natural gas over traditional heavy fuel oil. This shift ensures a dramatic reduction in carbon emissions by 25% and a significant 85% decrease in sulfur and nitrogen outputs, thanks to its cutting-edge exhaust gas recirculation technology. Measuring at a 200 meters LOA with a 38 meters breadth, Century Highway Green sails under Japan's emblem. It can house up to 7,080 cars and bears a weight limit of 16,844 tons. The ship's impressive gross tonnage stands at 73,515, with its fuel reservoir capable of holding 2,440 cubic meters of LNG. With the ability to move at 20 knots, its summer deadweight is consistent at 16,844 tons. Its primary engine is dual-fueled, while ancillary engines, including boilers and generators, can be powered by either LNG or marine gas oil. Notably, its MEGI-type main engine is tailored to minimize methane emissions. The vessel is designed with 6 decks, accommodating crew living spaces and essential life-saving apparatus. Modern conveniences such as Wi-Fi are installed in key zones like the engine room, fuel chambers, and garage deck. It's embedded with the Class 𝗖𝗂𝗃𝗃 technology, a diagnostic tool that identifies potential engine hitches early on. To enhance security measures, the ship has cameras monitoring all decks. Ark Endurance. Owned by the American roll-on roll-off carrier, a leading U.S. ro-ro enterprise boasting a fleet of 11 commercial ro-ro vessels, the Ark Endurance stands out as the largest among them. It spans a length of 264.6 meters and a width of 32.29 meters, with a draft currently at 7.6 meters. Previously christened as Tauranga, the Ark Endurance was constructed in 1996 by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. Despite being in service for 26 years, it remains the 5th largest ro-ro vessel globally. Now navigating under the U.S. flag, it possesses a carrying capacity of 48,988 tons DWT and a gross tonnage of 72,708 tons. The vessel can achieve top speeds of 20.3 knots, maintaining an average cruising speed of 16.2 knots. With its 9 spacious decks, the Ark Endurance can accommodate up to 260,000 square feet of substantial cargo. It's fitted with 2 primary ramps and an additional quarter ramp with a 330-ton lifting capability. A sophisticated control system enhances loading and unloading processes, granting flexibility to adjust deck configurations to accommodate various cargo types, maximizing capacity. The Ark Endurance regularly traverses the ports of the Gulf, voyaging through the Mediterranean Sea towards destinations in the Middle East and South Asia, including prominent ports such as Alexandria and Jeddah. 𝗖𝗂𝗃𝗃𝗁𝗂𝗃 Livorno. Owned by the Grimaldi Shipping Company, the 𝗖𝗂𝗃 Livorno represents the GG5G class of vessels, which are celebrated as the most extensive and environmentally progressive ro-ro ships worldwide. Constructed at the Jinling shipyard in Nanjing in 2021, it sails under the Italian flag. It boasts a gross tonnage of approximately 67,311 tons. The ship features 7 decks, accommodating a cargo equivalent to 7,800 linear meters, translating to 495 trailers and 182 cars. Its dimensions are 238 meters in length and 34 meters in width, with a draft currently measuring at 6.9 meters. Its maximum cruising speed stands at 20.8 knots. These vessels embrace cutting-edge carbon reduction methodologies, slashing carbon emissions by a staggering 50% when compared to earlier ro-ro vessels from the Grimaldi fleet. Remarkably, while docked, they register 0 greenhouse emissions, thanks to their reliance on electricity generated from onboard lithium batteries, recharged by solar panels. With its engine automation, Eco Livorno often frequents ports like Livorno, Valencia, Savona, and Barcelona. Wallenius Wilhelmsen's Mark IV ships. Wallenius Wilhelmsen operates 5 distinct classes of ro-ro ships, among which the Mark IV vessels stand out as some of the world's largest vehicle carriers. These vessels are tailored to transport heavy machinery and construction equipment and break bulk without sacrificing their capacity for cars. They come equipped with automated stern ramps that can lift up to 500 tons and accommodate cargo with a height of up to 7 meters. The Mark IV class encompasses 4 car carriers built with an emphasis on energy efficiency and reduced emissions. All these carriers sail under the Norwegian flag. Talisman, Tamesis, and 𝗤𝗂𝗃 were commissioned in 2000, while Tamerlane was launched in 2001. These ships boast similar dimensions, capabilities, and are digitized for enhanced communication and tracking. For instance, Talisman has a gross tonnage of 67,140 tons, a summer dead weight of 38,500 tons, and measures 240.6 meters in length and 32.30 meters in breadth. Ephesus Seaways. Designed by the esteemed 𝗬𝗲𝗄𝗃 Hansen, the ro-ro carrier Ephesus Seaways was constructed at China's Jinling shipyard in 2019. This was in response to an order by the Danish International Shipping and Logistics Group, DFDS, which sought to expand its ro-ro fleet with 5 such vessels. These ships are celebrated for their energy efficiency and modern design, making them the most eco-friendly in DFDS's entire fleet, compliant with the IMO's energy standards. Previously named 𝗤𝗄𝗃𝗃 Seaways, the vessel spans 238 meters in length and 34 meters in width. Its gross tonnage stands at approximately 60,400, with a draft of 6.8 meters. Currently under the Turkish flag, its deadweight is 21,500 tons. Powered by a 23,600 kilowatts MAN B&W engine, it can reach a top speed of 20 knots. The ship is also outfitted with a distinct ramp design that facilitates diverse ro-ro operations. It has the capacity to house 460 trailers, and its automated ramp system ensures efficient loading and unloading. Felicity Ace. Built in 2005 at the Shin-Kurushima dockyard, the car and truck carrier Felicity Ace was operated by Japan's Mitsui Osk Lines and sailed under the flag of Panama. The ship had an overall length of 200 meters, a breadth of 32.27 meters, and a draft of 9.2 meters. It boasted a gross tonnage of 60,118 tons, a deadweight of 17,738 tons, and could reach a top speed of 19.5 knots. Tragically, the ship sank on March 1, 2022, near the Azores after enduring a prolonged fire. The massive vessel, weighing 60,000 tons, ignited on February 16th while traversing the North Atlantic. Bound for Rhode Island, it was transporting 4,000 luxury electric vehicles, including brands like Porsche, Bentley, Lamborghini, and Volkswagen. This catastrophe led to financial losses surpassing $400 million. Morning Crown. Certified as a vehicle carrier by Det Norske Veritas, the Morning Crown is a grand ro-ro ship that sails under the Bahamian flag. Built in 2005 by Stocznia Gdynia SA in Poland, It was commissioned by the shipping company, Crown Maritime Limited. Measuring 199.94 meters in length and 32.29 meters in breadth with an 8.5 meters draft, its carrying capacity is about 21,052 tons, and it has a gross tonnage of 57,692 tons. The ship features 2 primary ramps and spans 4 decks. Its design can host up to 6,600 cars, thanks to hoistable decks which maximize space, allowing it to hold vehicles of diverse sizes. It runs on a 15,857 kilowatts, 7S60 MCC engine, achieving a maximum speed of 19.8 knots.